Hello friends of delta4x4. Today I want to present you another Volkswagen Boss T6. You can see him here. And this time we mounted another wheel and I will show you. Come with me. We will start at our wheels. It's the WP wheel. It's from alloy, and the big advantage of this wheel is that you can hold a big mass. So we normally mount them on our pickups if they are very heavy or something like that, or even on trucks. And this time our customer decided to put it on his T6. Around our rim we mounted a BF Goodrich Ultra KO2, and it's an off-road tire. It's an ultra tire, and with this combination you don't need any fender flares, no lips or something like that, and no adjustment of the speedometer. What you need, so the German TÜV says you need a lift kit, but in this bus we didn't mount a lift kit because we talked to our TÜV and he said, okay, in this way it's okay, and yeah. So I think in the most countries you don't need a lift kit. It's only in Germany because we are very strict in these things. And yeah, then come to me, to the front. There we mounted our front bar. It comes with an EC certificate, so you can drive with this bar in the whole European Union without any problems. So you don't have to go to any TÜV or DEKRA, like we call them in Germany. And yeah, on the bar we mounted our PIAA headlights. When I put the headlights, the full beam headlights on, then also the PIAA headlights switch on. If you don't want to have the PIAA headlights on while you're driving, then you can also switch them off on a special PIAA switch. So just follow us on YouTube and activate the notifications, and so bye.